Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take you through a live lesson that I've created. It's on a first and second grade science topic about force and motion, push and pull, things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and start this. And I am going to act as the student since I'm alone at the moment. So let me go ahead and log in so I can answer all these questions I've created.
That is not what I meant, but because when I met you, when I started this job, like you were already,
Okay, so join lesson. I'm gonna log in really quick. Thanks for waiting. And then we will go ahead and get started. Okay, typing in the code finally. Okay, let's see if it'll let me join. And this here shows me how many students are signing in. And so let me put in my name. Okay, perfect. Looks like I'm in. Yep, here I am. So my first slide is just an open-ended question to get students thinking about the topic. So I asked, why do non-living objects move, to get them thinking about how things like a soccer ball or a shopping cart move. So I'm going to go ahead and type in an answer. Okay, perfect. So my answer just got submitted. You can see it here. I typed in that people move them. So hopefully I'd get some answers like this that we could discuss as a class, and that would get us thinking about force. So let's move on to the next one. And then I'm going to let the video play on all devices. That way I can see it on mine as well. And so I would go ahead and just play this video, let the students watch it. This kind of summarizes force in motion. I'll just play a part of it. Okay, so I may not play the whole video, it is kind of long, but at least some parts of it so students could just kind of learn about the basics of force and motion. And then we'll move on to my next slide, which is a virtual field trip at a playground. The playground is actually a really great place for students to think about push and pull, especially because on the different things they can play on the playground, there's lots of different examples of push and pull, gravity going down the slide, or pull on the monkey bars, things like that. So we could kind of just explore that and have students write down or just share out loud some examples of push and pull that they see, like the swings here, or other things like that. So then moving on to the next slide, this is a draw it activity. So I would let students draw their own picture of an object being pushed or pulled. And let me go ahead and do that here. Let's see. I'm going to draw a person pushing a stroller. Or a shopping cart, actually. And then I submit. And my drawing should pop up here. So let's see. And there it is. So all of the students' drawings would pop up here so I could see their different examples and we could discuss those. And then moving on to the next one is a quiz. So here the student would do the quiz on their device and then I would be able to see the results. So I'm going to go ahead and answer these really quick. There's 3 questions, just kind of as a review. Okay, perfect. So I just finished the quiz. And it shows me that I got a 3 out of 3. So this would show me all the students' results, which is really helpful and can help me gauge how well they understood the concept. And finally, I just have a little memory test game that the students can play where they have to match the pictures to each other. And then they should think about if that picture is showing a push or a pull. So as you can see, I can click on different ones here. Oh, no match. Almost. and try to find matchers. So there's one, and they could just go through and do all of those. And that is the last slide. So that is my Nearpod lesson.